All right, on this video, we'll be looking at some of the signs that shows lack of omega-3 in the body, or probably omega-3 fatty acids in the body. In some of our previous function and previous video, we look at some of the function benefit and the roles of omega-3 fatty acid in the body, and I felt the body needs it, especially for the skin and other systems. So in order not to miss out some of the function of these omega-3 fatty acids, we need to look at the areas of deficiencies and some of the common signs that show lack of this in the body. So along now, we're still going to be mentioning omega-3 benefit of omega-3 foods and omega-3 sources. So if you don't have some of these sources, or probably the body lacks it, so these are some of the lacks or the signs the body shows that okay, you are lacking this in the body. You see that abundant of omega-3 fatty acids is also very good for weight loss program or in your diet then, because it's yes. Somebody asked, can omega-3 be one of the factors that helps in weight loss? As I said, yes, because if you look at this omega-3 fatty acid, it's not really a fatty component, and it's also it has so much benefit in the body, even for human, for man and others. And omega-3 fatty acids are essential substance for the body, for both the body membranes development, and it plays one very major role in neurological fitness of the human body. And like I used to tell people that omega-3 fatty acid also helps to reduce the risk of coronary heart disease and cardiovascular disorder in both men and women, old or young. And recent studies shows that omega-3 plays a crucial role in keeping accurate fitness, stamina and also weight loss plan. So if you look at all these categories, you notice that a normal human needs more omega-3 substance in the body, so for daily function of the cells and the body. And research shows that essential oils that you don't want to talk about omega-3 acids or fatty acid. We talk about fish oil, fish products, and others. So if you look at some of these, so the major source is the fish. And so the vital nutrient of some of these things it's being used up in the brain and some of the body cells, the renal cells, and so when you look at what science in the area of sciences and health, it also helps in experiencing growth in hypersensitivity reaction and arthritis, coronary heart diseases, ailment, cancer, and others. So looking at some of the research, then what are some of the signs the body shows that okay, you are lacking omega-3 in your body system? The first thing there is you crave for fatty meals. Some people crave for fatty meals. They always want to eat fatty meals and most of these fatty meals have nothing to support the body or to contribute to the body growth, just accumulation of fat in the body, which is not very good. It also these fatty foods also accumulates in the body to result to high cholesterol in the body, which pose a risk to the person's body. And so when you crave for too much of fatty foods, then it makes you add weight. You can be probably getting obese and getting overweight. And it also fatty meals also block some of the blood tissues, blood vessels from transferring blood to other part of the body. Sometimes it can even lead to dangerous sickness like like stroke and others. And then also so another thing I've seen that the body shows that okay, the body is lacking omega-3 is air wax accumulation. You see that in your air, you'll be having some wax accumulation in your body. Then sun-induced headache, then leg cramps. Leg cramps is because of some people. It's not like taking a walk. Probably some people who don't do exercise every time, but most of these things, it shows that the level of fish consumption, the level of fish oil consumption or fatty acid consumption is low. When you experience too many times leg cramps, then it shows that you need to double up the quantity of essential acid or omega-3 in your body. Then brittle fingernails also is one thing that shows that okay, this person is lacking omega-3 in the body. Brittle fingernails, like at a very small thing, the nails cut. At a very most times all these things cut, and then low mood irritability, tightness, stiffness around across the shoulders. I think many people usually experience that. If you are noticing stiffness around the shoulder, it shows that you have low omega-3 in your body. The other one is when the wounds refuse to lubricate easily and heals wound. Probably the wounds are not getting healed on time. Although you might need probably vitamin C for that, but even at that, you also need to know that you lack, but probably the body lack essential oils like the omega-3. Then Candida contamination, also yeast contamination, especially in some women, it shows that they lack. Then chronic inflammations, dry skin, dandruff, and all this. So if you notice this, that okay, you have dry skin, dandruff, and especially skin related problems, it means that the level of fish oil in your body is low and the level of your omega-3 oils in your body is low. So from my own knowledge, I see fatty acid is found in oily fishes, good water fish like mackerel, salmon, sardine, and some other fishes. But most times, and even some small amount is found in oil, in eggs as well. So omega-3 also found in docosahexaenoic acid, which is located in animal organ meat, including the brains, kidney, and liver. You know, some people they eat more of, when they ask, they eat more of farm animals kidney and liver, and we really don't know some of the basic components in that helps. But I noticed that for the brain, for the kidney and liver of farm animals, then it contains a lot of omega-3 fatty acids. So you can also take that. Now we are looking at source, omega-3 benefits, foods and source, where you can get some of these things, so that you don't be a part of some of the shortcomings. So I've seen that it is primarily in fish oil or flaxseed oil, then plant oil like soya oil, grape seed oil, and olive oil, and all those things. The omega is present in. They're not acid like walnut, like pumpkin seed, then dark leaf vegetables, spinach, broccoli, and all these things, majorly plants. So if we are looking at the plant side, all the vegetables, most vegetable, pumpkin, water leaf, and most vegetables have these essential oils. Then inside of farm animals like kidney, like I said the other time, kidney, the liver, and the brain, and other things. Then most importantly, plant oils is very important, like olive oil, like flaxseed oil, and even groundnut oil also. You see, groundnut oil contains some essential oils too, which are plant oil, and so that's. But basically, you need to go for the fish oil, and that's it. So if if the body shows all the symptoms I've mentioned earlier, then you should be able to get some of these sources and begin to take them, so that you can balance it up. And better still, you can still go for omega-3 what's it called, supplement. There are some supplements that are very good. Ask a doctor about it, or go to drugstore, tell them about lack of omega-3 in your body. They give you the omega-3 supplement, which can help you correct all those abnormalities. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like our post, and share.